Houghton athletes. How are you? I hope you are enjoying this nice weather. We're kind of in the middle of a good stretch here where we can get outside and we can play. If you have a bicycle, I hope you're putting on your helmet, riding it around the driveway, or maybe going on a little bit of a longer ride with your folks. If you have a basketball hoop and a basketball, get outside, practice your dribbling, work on your shot. If you have a hula hoop, how long can you hula hoop for? If you have a jump rope, try jumping it 2 times in a row, 3 times in a row, or more. So today, with this video, I'm going to show you something that you can do in the house with some items, some common items that you may have just lying around. So we're going to call this juggling. It's juggling. And I want to thank a teacher up in New Hampshire by the name of Miss Nelson. I don't know Miss Nelson's first name, but she shared her teaching methods for juggling. And very similar to some other ones that I've seen, but I want to give her the credit because I just love how she came up with this it's not a rhyme, but it's just words to remember, some cues, we call them, that you can remember when you're actually juggling. So I want to thank Miss Nelson for that because she taught me them. All right, because remember, teachers are always learners as well. So here in front of me, I have 3 things that I'm going to try to juggle with, or 3 different types of things. So I have plastic bags, I have tissue paper, and I have cloth napkins. So here's step 1 for juggling. You're going to take one item. Let's start with our plastic bags. And the first thing you want to do, athletes, is you want to find the middle of your plastic bag. I've seen professional jugglers put their hand underneath and with their index finger they go like that, and then if you pinch the top of it there, you now have the middle of the object. So I'm going to take a few steps back so you can see me. Now, one thing that I want you to remember here when you juggle, kiddos, is that you have imaginary targets above your shoulders. So one is here, and another one is here. Now, we're not going to worry about the second one right now because we only have one item, one bag. So here is what Miss Nelson taught me as far as the words that you want to remember. So first word is pinch. Second word, pocket. Put it down by your pocket. Next words are toss across, like that. Next word is catch, and we throw in a roar. Okay, so it looks like this, all together. Pinch, pocket, toss across, catch, and roar. Now, one thing you might have noticed that I'll point out now is that when you do pinch, the back of your hand always stays up, or the palm of your hand always stays down. Let me do that in kind of slow motion, like that. So, pinch, pocket, toss across, catch, roar. So, remember that imaginary target that I said was above my shoulder? That's where I'm tossing it. You want to make sure you're tossing it high enough so you're giving your other hand enough time to catch it. Pinch, pocket, toss across, catch, and roar. Now, let's go the other way. Pinch, pocket, toss across, catch, roar. I did not throw the bag very high that time, so let me try again. Pinch, pocket, toss across, catch, and roar. Okay, now, you can just keep doing that over and over and over again. Once you master it, you're well on your way to learning how to juggle with more than one item. So speaking of that, let's go ahead and try it with a second bag. 2. So listen carefully to the cues now, kiddos. Pinch, pinch, toss across, catch, catch, roar, roar. Again, pinch, pinch, pocket, pocket, toss across, catch, catch, roar. What's the difference? What happened? I said it twice. Yes, so all the same cues, but 2 times. Each word twice. Again. Pinch, pinch, pocket, pocket, toss across, catch, and roar. Okay? So now for this time, for this experience, you are throwing across to the other shoulder. So you've got one target here for the bag and the other target up here for the bag. Okay? So let's try this with a different item. Okay? One piece of tissue paper. Okay? Pinch, pocket, toss across, catch, roll. And again, notice even when I caught it, my palm was down and the back of my hand was still facing up towards the ceiling. Other side, pinch, pocket, toss across, catch, roar. Pinch, pocket, toss, catch, roar. All right, now let's try it with 2 pieces of tissue paper, right? And you're gonna notice that I'm gonna say it all twice. Pinch, pinch, pocket, pocket, toss across, catch, and roll. Now, when we do this in the gym, I notice sometimes athletes forget to throw it across their body. So make sure, what are the words? Say, toss across. So you're going across your body. Pinch, pinch, oops, find the middle. Yep, that's better. Pinch, pinch, pocket, pocket, toss across, catch, catch, and roar. Okay, now here's another lesson when it comes to juggling. Any item that you're using that is heavier is harder. So I want you to stick with these plastic bags or the tissue paper if that's what's easiest. That's how I want you to get more practice. That's how you're going to improve, by working with an item that you can handle really well. So let me try it with this cloth napkin. Okay, so I'll unfold it. Okay, let me find the middle. Find the middle, there it is. Pinch it, right in the middle. Pinch, pocket, toss across, catch, roar. Ooh, it falls a lot faster. Gravity is doing its thing with the napkin. Pinch, pocket, toss across, catch, roar. Now, let me try it with 2 napkins. 2. Pinch, pinch, pocket, pocket, toss across, catch, and roar. Another little key thing here to remember is that you're not tossing across at the same time. One side goes and then the other side goes, making that X. Pinch, pinch, pocket, pocket, toss across, catch, roar. Awesome. Okay, now, let me see if I can juggle a little bit with 3 items. Now, for some reason, I can kind of sort of juggle scarves, the scarves we have at school, and I can also juggle these plastic bags, kind of, sort of. But when you give me tennis balls, it breaks down for me. It's much, much harder. I need to keep practicing that. So, we are, at this point, kiddos, I feel like this part of the video is going to be more for our 3rd and 4th grade athletes. That doesn't mean our K1 and 2 friends can't try it, but it's just getting a little bit more advanced. So, here's how we do it, pardon me, with 3. So, I'm gonna take one hand and I'm gonna pinch, but in my other hand, I'm going to have 2 bags. So here's how it works. I'm gonna take one bag and I'm going to put it right here in my palm, and my little finger and my ring finger are holding it. My middle finger and index finger are loose, as is my thumb, because those fingers need the 3rd bag. Here it comes. Oops. Right there. Okay? So, check it out. So I'm holding 2 bags. These 3 fingers are pinching the middle of the gray bag, and these 2 fingers here are holding the brown bag against my palm. This hand, right, using my index and my thumb to pinch the middle, okay? So I'm still gonna go through all the same steps. Pinch, pinch, pocket, pocket. Toss across, So I'm catching kiddos. I'm catching, but as soon as I catch, I'm tossing it back up again, okay? I'm not stopping. Okay, so there it is, okay? So I get really bogged down. I don't think I'm throwing the bags high enough, and it's like kind of throwing me off. So let me keep practicing, and I'm gonna work on throwing the bags really high enough for me to have a chance to keep them going. One more time. Toss, toss. Got a little bit of work to do, so I'm gonna turn the video off now, and I'm gonna keep practicing with 3 bags. But remember, all of my K1 and 2 friends, if it's one bag that you're doing really well with, keep it at 1. Pinch, pocket, toss across, catch, roar. If you're ready for a second, pinch, pinch, pocket, pocket, step. Try that again. Pinch, pinch, pocket, pocket, toss across, catch, catch, roar. Very, very good. You keep practicing, kiddos, okay? Juggling can be a whole lot of fun, even if it's just plastic bags. That's how we start, okay? So, I will see you tomorrow. You have fun with your juggling. Bye, Houghton.